Error code 240 on your American Standard or Train HVAC system indicates a problem with the outdoor fan motor. This fan is crucial for dissipating heat, and when it malfunctions, your system can shut down or become inefficient. This code is a guardian error, preventing major breakdowns by alerting you to a fan issue before compressor damage occurs. Recognizing this code early can save you from costly repairs. We'll cover what causes this error and how to address it. Several factors can trigger error code 240 in American Standard HVAC systems. A faulty capacitor, often the run capacitor, prevents the fan motor from starting or maintaining proper speed. This is a common electrical component that can fail over time. Electrical issues like loose wiring connections or power surges can also cause the error. These disrupt the power supply to the fan motor, preventing it from operating correctly. Sometimes, a simple obstruction such as debris or dirt can block the fan blades, stopping the fan from spinning freely. This physical blockage prevents proper airflow and cooling. The control circuit, which monitors fan speed through sensors, may misread the fan's performance due to faulty sensors or wiring. This leads to false error signals even when the fan is working. Coastal corrosion is a growing risk factor, especially in areas near the ocean. Salt air can corrode metal components, damaging the capacitor, wires, and fan motor over time. Before calling a technician, try these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve error code 240. Many issues can be fixed with simple checks. First, power cycle your system by turning it off at the breaker box, waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on. This can reset electronic controls and clear temporary glitches. Next, inspect the outdoor unit for visible debris blocking the fan. Look for dirt, leaves, or other obstructions that could prevent proper airflow and cooling. Then, check for loose or damaged wiring connections. Ensure all wires are securely connected and show no signs of corrosion or fraying. If you're comfortable with tools, test wiring continuity using a multimeter. This checks for electrical breaks that could affect the fan motor operation. These initial steps can resolve most common causes of error code 240. If the problem persists, it's time to call a professional technician. If the initial troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to call a professional. Advanced diagnostics require specialized tools, like manifold gauges to check refrigerant pressures. Elevated refrigerant pressures overload the fan, indicating a different underlying problem. Professionals can also safely test the capacitor and fan motor and diagnose issues within the control circuit. The capacitor plays a crucial role in starting the outdoor fan motor by providing the initial electrical jolt needed to overcome inertia. Without this capacitor, the motor struggles to start, leading to error code 240. A weak or failing capacitor is one of the most common causes of code 240, as it cannot deliver the required voltage spike to start the fan properly. Testing a capacitor can be dangerous due to stored electrical charge, so HVAC technicians use specialized tools like digital multimeters to safely measure capacitance. To test, the technician connects the multimeter probes to the capacitor terminals and checks if the reading falls within the manufacturer's specified range, typically in microfarads. If the capacitance reading is too low or too high, the capacitor needs to be replaced. Always remember to discharge the capacitor first by shorting its terminals with an insulated tool to avoid electrical shock. Modern American Standard and Train systems often integrate with smart home apps like the Train Smart Home app. These apps allow remote diagnostics and can provide detailed error information. Technicians also use tools like digital multimeters to pinpoint the exact cause of the 240 error. Clamp meters are also essential for measuring current draw in the electrical system. Diagnostic software provides detailed analysis of system parameters to identify issues. Some systems use predictive analytics to anticipate failures before they occur. These tools work together to diagnose issues in key HVAC components like the outdoor fan, capacitor, and control board. Regular preventative maintenance is crucial to prevent error code 240 from occurring. By scheduling routine checks and servicing, you can identify potential issues before they cause system shutdowns. Annual capacitor checks are recommended, as electrical faults like faulty capacitors are often the root cause of error code 240. A bad capacitor can prevent the fan motor from starting or maintaining proper speed. Keep the outdoor unit free of debris, such as leaves, dirt, and gravel. Blockages can restrict airflow, causing the fan to work harder and potentially triggering error code 240. Consider upgrading to inverter-driven fans for increased longevity, especially in older systems. These fans adjust speed based on cooling needs, reducing wear and tear that can lead to error code 240. Proper installation is also key to avoiding future fan errors. Improper wiring or positioning can cause electrical issues that manifest as error code 240. Always use certified technicians for installations. Use recycled capacitors for an eco-friendly fix when replacements are needed. This sustainable approach reduces environmental impact while maintaining system reliability. Implementing these preventative measures helps maintain your HVAC system's outdoor fan and prevents error code 240 from disrupting your comfort. The future of HVAC diagnostics involves increased smart integration and predictive analytics. IoT sensors continuously monitor components like fan RPM in real time, reducing false positives by providing accurate data instantly. Machine learning algorithms analyze sensor data to predict fan failures up to 30 days in advance, enabling preventive maintenance and minimizing emergency repairs. Advancements in brushless DC motors offer higher efficiency and reliability compared to traditional motors, potentially reducing error occurrences through better performance and durability. Self-healing circuits automatically detect and repair faults, while robust cybersecurity measures protect smart diagnostic systems from threats, ensuring reliable and secure HVAC operations. Together, these advancements could eventually eliminate error code 240 altogether in new HVAC models, creating more reliable and efficient systems.